before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Wilfamter Vanessa, and I come from Group 4.
So now, I want to explain to you about how to manage the speech anxiety. So here there are 5 points. The first one is identify what makes you anxious.
Okay, before we readjust the anxieties, we need to know what that makes us anxiety while speaking.
Can be lack of experience, fear of being judgment, or feeling different from the audience. So let's be honest with ourselves and identify the real cause of our anxiety. So the second one is pinpoint the one set of nervousness. So guys, nervousness does not always start at the time. And some people feel nervous maybe before preparing public speaking, or maybe during practice, or maybe some right before speaking, or maybe after speaking. So let's pay attention to when your nervous starts, and then you can preparing and you can control it early. So the third point is use proven strategies to boost your confidence. Okay. Here, confidence comes from preparation and practice more. So, the more we practice, the more confidence we feel. So, let's start preparing early and practice regularly to build confidence. Point is active the relaxation response. How to relax our body by more movement. So, when we feel anxious, our body becomes tense. We can deep breathing or maybe simple meditation or stretching that can help our body relax. So the last point is use movement to minimize anxiety. We should use our movement, our natural movement to relax our body. Movement and simple gesture help release nervous energy. That also can help our body to reduce the nervous or the anxiety.
Me, my name is Danti Damayanti and my student ID is 252122111148. And I want to ask, what is the most effective way to reduce speech anxiety?
Okay, so I think the most effective to reduce speech anxiety is a good preparing and more preparing, so more practice that can help your anxious while public speaking. Okay, is there any question again?
Me, I wanna ask question. My name is Putra Malianul Fajrin. My student number is 252122111142, and I wanna ask about when is speech anxiety is usually the strongest.
Okay, that's a good question, Putri. Thank you for your question. So, in my opinion, I think the strongest anxiety is before doing the speech, or maybe before we going to the stage. That is the strongest anxiety that we can control it before we going to the stage. That's enough, Putri?
Enough, thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, the next question, who wanna ask?
I want to ask you something, and I think the question is very crucial in public speaking. Okay, before, my name is Vaira Firnanda, and my student number is 252122111149. And the question is, how can movement help reduce anxiety during a presentation?
So, the natural movement and simple gesture help release nervous energy. That's enough.